Camaro's going to be getting a new battery. Pretty sure the stock one was what I pulled out of there. Made it just short of 6 years as an AC Delco. This is what's going in there. I'm not too familiar with these Duracells as far as car batteries go. Here's just a look at the all the specs. I got this one at Batteries Plus. It was born a month ago, so no complaints there. The battery does come with a new elbow and plug. Even with this being an AGM battery, since it's equipped with the vent holes on either side, and it'll be in an enclosed space in the trunk, it's a good idea to hook up the vents anyway. Made in the USA, with US and imported materials, of course. The AC Delco that I pulled out of the Camaro is rated for 860 cranking amps, 720 cold cranking amps, 145 minutes reserve, and scales in at 42.16. The one I pulled out of here, dead as a doorknob, was 43.6 pounds. Looks like you can find them for around 150 after the core charge, just your standard flooded battery. The one that's going in there, the Duracell, is 920 cranking amps, 800 cold cranking amps, 140 minute reserve. Supposed to scale in at 51.45 pounds. Mine is at 53. Out the door from Batteries Plus after the core, $215 with a discount code, 10% off. If your battery's 100% dead, you need to use the key, come in through the driver's side, get in the back seat, pull it down, crawl yourself into the trunk, and then open it with the latch. Just give it a gentle pull, and then you're in the trunk. Here's the latch you'll be looking for. Now it sits fairly far back, so you have to crawl a little ways in there to get it. Once your trunk is open, we can get to taking the battery out. To get to the battery, find a lip on the carpet and lift it up, exposing the cover. Then you'll want to lefty-loosey. She'll lift right off. Grab the cover out of there. You can choose to leave it in the trunk and take the spare tire, foam insert, and the jack kit if you have it out. I chose to remove the entire thing just to get it out of the way. If you do, rotate it sideways so that you don't hit your trunk seal. Using a 13mm wrench, you'll want to take off these two bolts holding down the tie-down plate. To get this open, you want to manipulate the tabs from the top here. You want to get in between the two plastic pieces and then push towards the outsides of the box, and they'll lift up. You'll take off 4 10mm. This one here, which snugs the terminal. This one here for the connector. Same deal over here. And then you'll have a 13mm tie down right below here to take out. And then the battery will lift out. It may be worth it to get a vent hose kit ahead of time, just to swap it all together, or in case yours is damaged or missing. The battery does sit in backwards with the positive post towards the driver's side of the car. But let's get the battery ready to go back in. It doesn't hurt to have your keys handy when you first hook the battery back up. Your alarm might go off or what have you. The plug will go in on the positive post side just based on the way it'll sit in the vehicle. The battery slots right back in. It's a perfect fit. Positive post will of course go where the positive cable is, to the left or the driver's side of the vehicle. This guy right here is your vent tube. Be sure the grommet's still sealing pretty good. I took a vacuum in here and did some house cleaning, but I popped the old tip off. I'm gonna set the battery in here and see how much length I have left, and probably clip that end off so I can make sure it's got a good seal for the new one. Once the battery's in, you wanna make sure to catch that lip right here to help secure the battery down. Ended up clipping the entire top off of the hose where it met the old connector. This one was a fair bit thinner. Just enough reach. I did put the long side into the tube, which gave me just a little bit of stretch. Looks like it's a perfect fit. With the battery seated, do a quick check, make sure you're not pinching any wires. No cables are snugged up under there. And then you'll want to grab your tie down. You'll go smooth side up and slanted side towards the driver. And then you'll snug this up with a 13 millimeter. Now we're gonna get the terminals back on. To open this, if it gets closed on you, there's little tabs that you can access from the top here, or you can just squeeze it and manipulate it open. But once the terminals are in, go ahead and drop your connections on just to make sure everything's going to be fitting right. And then you'll want to snug these down here with a 10 millimeter. Your hookups are also snug down with the 10 millimeter. We'll grab our tie down plate. Threaded side will be up. Make sure she's seated properly, and we'll snug it down with these 13s. Now for the foam insert. I don't have the spare tire or the jack, but this is how mine sits in here. Set the cover back in. Remember, it's skinny side to the front of the vehicle, and then goes on your tie down. Get your carpet folded back, and you're done. We'll get our first start up. So the trunk's been open for a little bit, but sitting right up at 12, which is where we want it. Battery's going in at just short of 3250 on the mileage. We'll check back in later. All right, y'all. New battery's in. Nothing too special. Car does turn over easier, but that's about it. Appreciate it.